Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, May 10th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I got to get this over with. I'm going to tell you, we had uh, one of the worst trading days that we've had in possibly 2, 3, or even 4 years. I don't keep too good track of that, but I know we haven't had anything like that this year, and we certainly didn't have anything like that last year, and I don't think we had anything like this in 2019 either. Um, Possibly in 2018, but since then, no, we never had a day this bad. You're looking at the Dow here. Keep in mind when you're looking at this chart that all these terrible trades that we got out of today were when the Dow was screaming topside. It opened very strong today, and up here, about 2 hours into the day when we were already out of all those bad positions, the Dow was up, I think, around 300 points positive, and then it reversed itself and came down really hard toward the end of the day and finished negative 34 points. Well, negative 34 points isn't all that much, but considering that it came from positive 300 something down to negative 34, that's a pretty big drop. But as I say, this drop did not cause us a loss. It, this is it was the upside where the Dow was doing this upside that we suffer all this huge losses. We had 16 positions coming into today, and 15 of them closed negative, and those are really big negatives. We didn't have any small losses. We had 15 big losses, and that all added up to negative almost $58,000 closed out. Negative $58,000. Wow, that's that is a kick in the butt. And unless we get some kind of reversal here pretty quick, we're going to have a very bad month in May. But I don't want to predict because I have seen reversals. But God, right now this looks like this is the most horrible way to trade possible. It's just like everything we do is red, and then it goes from red to even more red. It does, there's, yeah, it's pretty terrible. Okay, and we got into one position, and it's just like they're trying to insult us with this. That one position, it's actually an inverse position in biotech, and that is positive. And of course, we got into no negatives. Well, I won't say of course, but in fact, we only carry one position. It's positive, and we're up over $1,800 in that one position. And as I say, the Dow finished down 34 points. I'm going to show you three of those losing stocks. Uh, I want you to look at the patterns. All three of these stocks are from different sectors, but the patterns I'm showing you were in evidence of like 14 of the 16 stocks I'm showing you. They all did the same thing this morning. It didn't make any difference what sector it was. They were all doing the same thing. And this first one, this is Beam, BEAM, which is Beam Therapeutics. and we bought this on the high tick of the day on Friday. It closed substantially against us on Friday, and then down it came just unmercifully today on the open, and that took us out for over $10,000. The next one, this is POLA, Polar Power. We bought that pretty close to the high on Friday. It closed against us, not too bad, but down hard this morning, and that cost us $5,400. And then another sector here, DM, which is Desktop Metal Incorporated. We bought that near the high Friday. It closed against us and then down hard this morning for a loss of $13,200. Terrible. We had one winner out of 16. It's almost like they're trying to torture us with this. This is MGI, MoneyGram International. This was the perfect trade. Unbelievable in all this mess. We had one perfect trade. Bought that on a breakout. It closed very profitably on Friday and gapped up a little more, giving us a little more money this morning, $13,200 in profit. I'm just scratching my head, folks. We are on the wrong side of this algorithmic trading that's being done by the hedge fund managers, and yeah, we don't want to be here, but we're just getting killed. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.